Hi, I'm Maria from ThorApps, and today I'm going to show you how to upload a report to BI Service. So this can be done after installing the app and configuring an environment in your SharePoint Online. If you need any assistance with that, please check our previous videos. And to continue with this one, please make sure you have access to a ThorApps BI Service app installed to SharePoint Online site collection administration permissions. And in order to make it easier for you, we have provided a copy of the Microsoft AdventureWorks sample database online and sample SSRS reports in a zip file. So please be aware that these are for demo purposes only. And to download this sample SSRS report zip file, please check the link in the comments of this video or type down the link you see on your screen now. So this video assumes that you have extracted the SSRS report zip file into your local disk and saved it in your temp folder. So we've splitted this guide into steps. So the first one is to upload the report data source to BI Service, which is a RDS file. And the second step is to upload the report itself, which is a RDL file. So to get started, please open your SharePoint Online site in your browser and go to Site Contents. And you're going to see that BI Service is already installed, so you can click on it. And then this is your BI Service homepage. So you were supposed to see the Manage button here. In case you don't see, please check your admin permissions. So please click on the Manage button. And then you're going to see all these buttons here, and you're going to click on Upload Item to upload your data source. So go to Choose Files and go to your temp folder, as I mentioned before. So we are going to upload the RDS file first. Click Open and then click Upload. So the report data source is not uploaded with credentials, so you will need to re-enter them. So please click on the data source you've uploaded. And then I'm going to close my screen here in order to see what we're going to fill. So on username, please type demo. And then type the password. If you find that this password is not working, please check our product documentation. So this password will change from time to time. So please check, and to make sure that it is working, please click on Test Connection. So once it's done, please click Save. And then now we are going to upload item again, choose files, and upload the report itself. So I'm going to pick the sales by region report, which is a RDL file, click open, and then upload. So because we uploaded the data source first, the matching data source name in the report has automatically be connected to the shared data source. So we don't need to manually connect it. So you can now go to View and then click on your report to test if it's rendering correctly. So now your report is published. You can show it in SharePoint Online via a web port. If you want to learn how to do that, please check our next video. And if you have any other questions, please contact us at info@thorapps.com. Thanks for watching. Bye!